Are you an aspiring entrepreneur? Or perhaps looking to formalize your existing side hustle? And you keep hearing about ZenBusiness? You're probably wondering, how much does ZenBusiness actually cost? It's a crucial question because when you're starting a business, every dollar counts. You want to make sure you're getting the best value for your money without any hidden surprises. Many online business formation services promise simplicity and affordability, but the reality can often be a tangled web of upsells, hidden fees, and confusing pricing tiers. You might start with a seemingly low price, only to find the essential services you need inflate the total cost significantly. This is exactly what we're going to unpack today. We'll dive deep into ZenBusiness's pricing structure, breaking down each plan, what's included, what's extra, and what you can expect to pay. By the end of this video, you'll have a crystal clear understanding of ZenBusiness's costs, allowing you to make an informed decision for your business. So, let's cut through the noise and get straight to the numbers. ZenBusiness primarily offers 3 core packages for business formation: the Starter, the Pro, and the Premium plans. Each of these is designed with different levels of service and support in mind, catering to varying needs and budgets. It's important to remember that all these prices are plus state filing fees, which vary significantly depending on where you're forming your business. These state fees are mandatory regardless of which service you use, so always factor them in. Let's start with the Starter plan. This is ZenBusiness's entry-level offering, and here's the exciting part. It often comes at a price of $0 plus state fees. Yes, you heard that right, $0 for the core formation service itself. This makes it an incredibly attractive option for new entrepreneurs on a tight budget. With the Starter plan, ZenBusiness will handle the preparation and filing of your articles of organization for an LLC or articles of incorporation for a corporation with your chosen state. They ensure 100% accuracy in their filing, which is a huge peace of mind for anyone navigating legal paperwork for the first time. You also get access to their online dashboard to manage your business documents and reliable customer support to guide you through the process. What's more, the Starter plan often includes an optional free year of their worry-free compliance service, which automatically renews at $199 per year after the first year. This compliance service helps you stay on top of important filing deadlines and even includes a couple of amendment filings per year. The processing time for the Starter plan is typically standard, meaning 7 to 10 business days, depending on your state's processing times. Next up, we have the Pro plan. This is often recommended as the most popular choice, especially for first-time LLC filers. The Pro plan costs $199 per year, plus state fees. So what do you get for that annual fee? The Pro plan includes everything in the Starter plan, but with some significant upgrades. The most notable is expedited processing, which usually means your documents are processed in 1 business day. This can be a game changer if you're eager to get your business up and running quickly. Additionally, the Pro plan includes an employer identification number, or EIN, filing. An EIN is like a social security number for your business and is essential for opening a business bank account, hiring employees, and filing taxes. While you can obtain an EIN for free directly from the IRS, ZenBusiness handles this for you, saving you time and potential hassle. The Pro plan also comes with ZenBusiness's worry-free compliance service included, which, as mentioned, automatically renews annually. This comprehensive package aims to provide you with the essential tools and speed to get your business off the ground and maintain compliance throughout the year. Finally, let's explore the Premium plan. This is ZenBusiness's most comprehensive offering, designed for entrepreneurs who want a full suite of tools and maximum support. The Premium plan comes in at $299 per year, plus state fees. With the Premium plan, you get everything included in both the Starter and Pro plans, and then some. This includes the Rush filing service, the EIN filing, and the worry-free compliance. But the Premium plan goes further by providing additional tools crucial for establishing an online presence. You get a business domain name with privacy, a business email address, and a business website builder. For many businesses in today's digital age, having these elements readily available and integrated can be incredibly valuable. The Premium plan also often includes access to a library of business document templates, which can be a lifesaver for various contracts and agreements you might need as your business grows. This plan is truly for those who want a nearly hands-off approach to formation and an immediate head start on their digital footprint. Beyond these core packages, ZenBusiness also offers a range of add-on services that you can purchase separately, regardless of your chosen plan. This flexibility allows you to customize your service based on your specific needs, rather than paying for features you don't require in a higher-tier package. Some common and popular add-ons include Registered Agent Service. This is often a separate annual fee, even if it's included for a free year in some plans. A registered agent is a person or entity designated to receive legal documents and official correspondence on behalf of your business. ZenBusiness offers this service for about $99 for the first year, renewing at $199 per year. This is a crucial service as it ensures you receive important legal notices and maintain compliance with state regulations. Operating Agreement. For LLCs, an operating agreement is a vital internal document that outlines the ownership and operating procedures of your company. While ZenBusiness includes a basic operating agreement template with their Pro and Premium plans, they also offer a more customized option as an add-on. Business Document Templates. Even if you don't opt for the Premium plan, you might find value in their library of business document templates, which can include various contracts, agreements, and forms. Rush processing speed. If you choose the starter plan and then decide you need your documents filed faster, you can often add rush processing as a one-time fee, typically around $79. Business banking and money management tools. ZenBusiness has partnered with financial institutions to offer business bank accounts and money management tools, like their Money Pro bookkeeping service. These are typically subscription-based add-ons with monthly fees. For example, a business bank account can be around $5 per month, and Money Pro bookkeeping around $30 per month. Tax services. They also offer services like unlimited tax advice and tax prep and filing, which come with their own monthly or annual fees, typically around $49 per month for unlimited tax advice. It's essential to carefully consider which of these add-ons are truly necessary for your business, especially in the early stages. While some are incredibly helpful, others might be something you can manage yourself or find more affordably elsewhere. Always review the detailed breakdown of services and any recurring fees before finalizing your purchase. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.